Hey guys, it's Isabel Bedoya. Welcome back to my channel. For those that don't know who I am, I just said it, it's Isabel Bedoya. Honestly, this video is a little different. As you guys can tell by the title, I am working with SHEGLAM, which I love, and I say this all the time, and you guys know why. But get ready to see me change a whole other bitch, but in the best way possible. Show you guys how I compare both of my favorite primer and the birthday skin primer on one side and then the one on the other. I'm not gonna tell you guys right now, but I'm gonna jump into no face makeup and show you guys the difference. And I don't know if you guys can tell from this, but just know that you're gonna see it in this video right now. So let's remove this. I went in with my regular face moisturizer. What I'm gonna do is put my regular primer on this side, my ugly side, and we're gonna put the birthday skin primer from SHEGLAM on the right side so I can show you guys and compare it and see how it looks and the difference that it makes. I definitely noticed it because I've been wearing it for quite some time, as you guys seen. Okay, so in my makeup kit I actually have 3 top primers. I'm not gonna show you guys which one I'm using, but I don't want to be like, oh my god, this one's better, because this one that I have right now is a little pricey. And now on the right side we're gonna use SHEGLAM's birthday skin primer. And bitch, I've been going in. Look at this. I was literally on the phone with my mom. She hates wasting money on makeup. And I was like, Ma, I found this primer that you're gonna love. And you know, wrinkles and stuff, and it just performs so good on my skin that I wonder how it would perform on hers. Especially because it's $5 and it freaking works. Like, it's crazy. Ooh, see what I mean? I can just see the difference. Can you guys tell on this side? This is the birthday skin primer. Look how kind of blurred out it looks. Like, the pores are just nice and smooth and deleted, erase, backspace, all that. Definitely more lightweight than mine. Mine's like a little sticky right now. That's one thing about the birthday skin. The texture of this, like I've mentioned, is very milky, very creamy, and I love that because it's super lightweight. It's not oil based, but it's still very hydrating. So there's a lot of pluses to that. And then if you use my code right here, you can save on top of that, which I think is pretty cool. Let's put some foundation, and I'm gonna put the same amount. So I really have been testing this out this whole week, and my DMs were flooded asking how does it compare to my favorite one. So I was like, you know what, let me just include this right now in the video before I post it. And I am using a brush to blend this out. This foundation is a little white on me. This foundation is so light, but it's very buildable. I don't really wear it because it's meant to be very natural, which, you know, I have nothing against, but I just have better skin tints. But this is a cool moment when I'm not trying to waste my makeup. Make sure you guys hit that like button or something. Show me love. And then again, for just video purposes, I'm adding the same concealer and all the regular stuff. I'm just letting that sit. Y'all know I hate blending products freshly applied. I'm gonna apply some bronzer because this foundation is a little light. Okay, I'm actually applying another concealer. I just wasn't gonna do it, but I'm like, no, let me do it. In the other look that's included in this video, I also used Color Bloom liquid blush. I always keep it 1000 with y'all. That last time that I used it was the only other time. This is gonna be my second time, so it's not something that I can really put y'all on and be like, oh my god, that is it. But the first time I really liked how I wore throughout the day. I felt like it was actually really gripped to my skin. I don't know if it was also the primer that played part with that, but I really liked it. Let's just do it again, because why not? Mind y'all, I'm really not going anywhere. I want you guys to keep in mind that it's 4 in the morning and I'm just here applying a full face. And by the way, I do still have the concealer on. I don't know if you guys can see it on the camera, but it's very much still there. I have not blended it, but now I am. I'm already creasing. And that's what happens when you freaking blend out your concealer fast. I freaking love this primer. It's because it's so pretty. Oh my god. I'm really adding blush like I'm going out. As you guys can see, this is the one with the other primer, the other fave, and this right here is the Birthday Skin Primer from SHEGLAM. This right here, and you guys can see how much smoother, like I can see it. So I don't know if I can see it in my little monitor on top. I'm pretty sure you guys can see it on the screen better, but this is just smoother to me. This primer gets me hyped. I like when makeup hypes you up. It's the little things. And this primer, she's one of the sisters now. She's added to the family. I just love her, and I never want her to end. Okay, so now I'm gonna jump in to a whole other look, and I basically show you guys more of the primer and more of the whole collection. Super freaking dope quality. Up here, y'all know I love SHEGLAM. So, is it good? Yeah, lighting is good. Lighting is good. This is the palette. How freaking pretty is she? She looks like the ones I used in the last tutorial, but you know, just purple vibes. I'm grabbing the khaki pants shade. It's like a cool tone, really pale purple. The good thing about SHEGLAM eyeshadows is their quality is just so easy to blend, and you guys have seen it in the previous videos. I love, like, that's one thing I love about SHEGLAM is their eyeshadow quality. It just gives it to me every single time. It never fails me. Then over and under, the story about yesterday. Lighting was so off.
Mom, you want to hear a joke? Phone?
Phone?
Coffee phone.
Coffee phone?
Yeah.
Uh-huh.
And it tastes like coffee, no.
That's funny. I genuinely love, because I've done it so many times already with SHEGLAM, I genuinely love filming their videos because every time I'm just like shook. So I like it, and I just wanted to feel like extra comfortable. Ah, you scare me. When you're a makeup artist, when you just tell yourself, like, you know what, just let it go, just let it go, let it go. I got to see the primer that I'm gonna be getting into. I got to really see how it wore. I even talked about it on my Amazon live. I was like, y'all, this right here, fire. I do have an appointment at 2 o'clock and it's 1:10. I'm adding the darkest shade of the palette to create like a V, like an outer V, and that's what's giving me like that eyelid. Set alarm for 1:45.
I set your alarm for 1:45 p.m.
And I love when I do this little cut part. I don't know, it just gives it to me, because it really how do you say that word? Insinuates the eye, elongates it. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, now I'm gonna add, I'm blushing, which is like that pink shimmery shade, and I'm gonna apply from the middle to the ends. You guys are looking for an affordable palette, because y'all just want to play with more colors or just like have more eyeshadow palettes, definitely give SHEGLAM a chance. I was really shook. That primer really did it. Like, they really did that. I don't have to necessarily say I like something, which I love. It makes this more fun because I don't feel like I gotta say anything. And I low-key want to make this a video where I wear the primer for a couple hours and see, kind of like vlog the day and how it's wearing and be like a YouTuber. I'm gonna add the liner, lashes, BRB. Okay, so this is a new SHEGLAM Birthday Skin Primer. Freaking everything. I love the texture. It's very like milky, creamy. It's just giving what it's supposed to be giving. And I'm gonna put the same amount that I put on yesterday, the same areas. And this really blurs your pores. I knew it was gonna be good because SHEGLAM, again, like, never disappoints me. But I didn't think it was gonna be that good. I know that this has some good reviews, or it will get really good reviews. It literally eliminated my pores. I don't even know how to explain that. And I know already that SHEGLAM is affordable, so it makes the product 10 times better. And the packaging is freaking adorable, and it has that little scoopy thing. And I love that it feels hydrating, and it's super lightweight on the skin. Like, my skin does not feel heavy at all. It's not oil based. It's hydrating, but still doing what it's supposed to be doing. which is filling up your pores and giving you a super airbrush finish when you put your foundation. And I'm using their sponge, which I really liked yesterday as well. I don't know if it dried up. Bitch, what? It's $5. It's $5. That primer is $5 and it's 1.058 ounces. What? I'm just adding a super light concealer because the foundations that I picked. I'm really shook. I'm so shook. I'm gonna be shook for like a good hour. Bitch. Ooh, this looks cute. And one thing about that, the SHEIN foundation, it sticks to your skin, okay? Like, not sticky, no. Once she's on you, she's on you. And trust me, it's not the powder, because I use this with whichever foundation, whichever primer. So I've tried a whole bunch of different combinations with my setting powder, like from skin tints to different primers, all that stuff. And you know, obviously some look better than others, but this right here, I'm shook. I just want y'all to see up close how freaking amazing and blurred out my skin looks. Look at this. Are you kidding me? I'm gonna wear this out. I'll see you guys in a couple hours. I'm gonna be updating you and I'll see you in a bit. It's hot outside. It is hot. I was gone for almost 2 hours. As you guys can see, makeup is still looking pretty good. I did put a little blush moment here under my eye. I actually have another product, well, 2 products from SHEIN that I forgot to put because I was rushing. This is the SHEGLAM Color Bloom Liquid Blush, and this is a lip tint. It's called Birthday Lips. We're here for the makeup, but I feel like it smells like a little like product-y, like no cute scent. Definitely just a lip tint. This is something I would wear for a like natural makeup. It feels hydrating, like moisturizing. It feels good. It feels super lightweight, but it has a really good shine to it. I'm usually not a lip gloss girl, but this is far from a lip gloss. This is a lip tint. It feels more like a lip oil. Ooh, this is cool. This is cool. The cream blush. Let's just put some here. Oh, that feels good. It's so bouncy. I just want to see if it is setting. Yeah, so some of it did stay. So the lip tint, I reapplied a little bit of it because I want to see it in action. It drying because the swatches dried. It's not moving, which I love. And I love that little tint of it. The liquid blush also dried and it's pretty there. So with that being said, they're long lasting so far. I definitely do want to apply more blush. Now that I know that it dried like that, I don't feel like I need powder. It's kind of the whole point of the cream. That's one thing about this right now that I'm like kind of mindful that I'm adding this on top of a face that's already set, and it's still looking really good. The product is not separating. It's not streaky. It's not, you know what I'm saying? When you add a product that's liquid or cream on top of a face that's already set, it could really go both ways. It could go really bad where you're like, oh, it's not collaborating with the powder. And as you guys can tell, the product is very buildable. I'm on my second layer and the blush is not separating at all, and I'm adding it on top of a face that was already set. And I think it's also a major part of like why it's looking like that I'm adding it the way that I'm adding it on my face. I kind of want to add a little bit directly to my face to see if that would mess it up, but let's just do it. Oh my god. Ooh, wait, this looks really good. This is what I'm telling you guys, just SHEGLAM always surprises me. I do see the smallest line of separation, and it could have also been something else that was on the brush that I picked up. Oh yeah, bitch, a bitch is feeling herself. This was the hero of this video. It's definitely what I mostly recommend out of this whole video. We're just gonna see how this plays out throughout the day. I just feel like right now the makeup is looking freaking great. I'm not even gonna put setting spray on. I'm gonna just let it rock and see what's up. One thing I also noticed, the pores on my nose are also blurred. Primers really don't give me that nose blur. So I'm just gonna get my day going and I'm gonna circle back with you guys and see how this makeup wears. It's currently 8:46 and this is my makeup so far. I've had it since 2 p.m. If you ask me, it's looking good. But the lighting, yeah, it's just that lighting making me look white. But you guys see the lip tint is still there, very there. Ooh, I got makeup on my shirt. I got a lot of things on my shirt. The makeup is looking really, really good. The pores still very blurred. I think just right here, some of it came off, but because I took a nap, so it's bound to happen. I do notice that the lip tint just occasionally looks a little shinier sometimes, and then it just goes sometimes to feeling matte. So that's that. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did enjoy it, make sure you guys give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, leave a comment down below any of the products that you're like, oh my god, I need to try that. And if you have tried SHEGLAM, leave down below what's your favorite product, so I could either get into it, try it out, I don't know, just put me on something.